Such a large lobster. We'll grill it. Damn it. I didn't get a good night's rest. There are always these pests flying around here. Look. Our dried fish is scattered everywhere because of them. Mingja, what are we eating this morning? There's nothing left. Let's just make do with a papaya. In a moment, we'll split up. I'll be responsible for finding food. You go gather some firewood and build a stove here, so I can bake. I don't know how the fish and lobster from the other day turned out. Let's go collect the fish and lobster first. Wow, there really are 2 fish in here. The uproar over catching lobsters yielded only 2 grouper fish, which isn't enough to eat. We'll have to think of another solution. Let's take them back first. At this moment, Xiao Li is also gathering these stones and sand, preparing to build a sturdier stove. It's so hot today. Hey, Mingjae, Mayada called and said that the underwater camera you ordered has arrived. Really? So fast?
Hey, did you get rich?
How? That's because I won a 2020 yuan food voucher on Pinduoduo. This victory meal was bought with their help. Pinduoduo? Isn't it said that no one wins those? Why not take it? Today's seawater is particularly clear, and we chose to dive in an area filled with reefs because the seafood here is more abundant. Sure enough, as soon as we got in the water, we found a hermit crab searching for food. As I approached, it quickly retracted its body into its shell for self-protection. When I secured the lifeline and continued to dive, I found a taro near the coral. Not far away, I discovered a sea urchin hidden among the rocks, which I managed to collect. Meanwhile, I also found a ghost crab trying to escape. It was particularly swift, and it took quite an effort to catch it. At the same time, Xiao Li was busily constructing our grill for roasting fish. At the same time, while obtaining food, I found a super large lobster hiding in a rock cave. I immediately loaded the spear, slowly approached, and with one strike hit it, pinning it against the rock to prevent it from escaping. Look quickly. Today's catch isn't bad. Such a big lobster. Wow. This also has another hassle with it. There's also a super big sniper crab. Crab. Sea dragon. Let's take it back. Xiao Li, the stove and the fire are all set up. Let's grill this big lobster now. And also grill the sea urchin and crabs. Wow. Such a big gunner. Hey, our lobster is finally grilled. Xiao Li, come over and eat. Hey, let me start with the hermit crab. Look, it's filled with roe. Yum! This fish has already called for help. This lobster is really big. Give me a bite. Wow, this meat. Here, this big piece is for you. It's still so big. Bigger than a person's.